what our future holds. I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, and if she falls in love, we'll let her